Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter cells formatted in bold. Most of us know how to filter data based on color. It can be either cell color or font color. Like when I click inside the data and go to filter command, or just press the shortcut Ctrl Shift L. If I go to any column which has got color fill, like this basic column here, so you will be having an option filter by color, and you can filter data by any color of your choice. But in the same way, we don't have an option where you can filter data based on styles like bold, italic and underline. Like you see in this example, in column employee name, there are few names in bold. So when I click on the filter drop down, I don't have option like filter by font or style, nothing like that. But can we do this in Excel? So let's see a trick to perform this. So to do this, let's first select the data. So I'll just press Shift Ctrl down in the employee data, and then I need to use find and replace command here. One way is going to Home tab, click on this find and select, and on replace. Other way is using a shortcut Ctrl H. This brings you find and replace dialog box where you have options like find what and replace with what. Here I'm not finding any text and replacing it with something else. So the trick is I'll be finding all the bold colored cells and I'll be replacing that with some cell color or font color. So here you have an option format. Click on the arrow next to it, choose this option format, then pick the right style. Like in this example, I need to choose the bold style, right? So click on font and then click on bold. You can also search for other things like it can be italicized, different font or different size. So you can also choose some other formatting options as well. I click OK for this. In the replace with option on the arrow again, choose the format and then click on fill and choose some color. Maybe I just go with this blue color. Remember, when you choose a color, make sure that other cells in that column are not filled with the same color. As of now, there is no colors in this column. Any color would be fine with me now. So now I click OK. You can also think of changing the font color as well. Now I just click OK to this and then click on replace all. Now you could see all the cells which were formatted with bold has been filled with color blue. I just click OK, close this dialog box. Now I just need to carry on with simple filter command where I just pick the employee names which are filled with color blue. So for that, I click on the filter button next to employee name. I go to filter by color and there you have blue. So I just pick that. There you go. So all those cells which were formatted with bold have been filtered. Hope this trick will help you whenever you have this kind of requirements in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video.